y'all, so it's Kenny with Crocs and Socks Outdoors. Thank you for checking us out. So as you can see, I got the bush hog off the tractor and the blade hooked up, and I got a load of dirt here and 2 loads of dirt back there in that back ditch. There used to be a ditch right here, right where this load of dirt's sitting. It crossed right across here to that fence line over there, and it was just drainage for the cane fields. So little by little, people on the side of me have filled in. So to avoid having a pond that crosses my property here, we went ahead and filled in also, and that's what I'm doing with that back ditch back there, little by little. So got the blade hooked up to the tractor. I'm gonna get this tripod set up real quick so we can get y'all a shot. We're gonna put this little 790 to work, get this dirt spread out real quick. All right, y'all, so that's one pile down. Got 2 more loads back there. I left it a little high right here. Couldn't get it much lower than that. It's kind of compacting in, but it was really low right where that dirt pile was. So I wanted to fill that in a little bit, and it'll settle in a little bit. So we're gonna go get set up back there in the back and try to get those 2 knocked down in the ditch. All right, here's the 2 piles in the back we gotta get knocked down. And this is the ditch, you can see. So the neighbors blocked it in over there and over here, so I end up with a long pond across my property. So little by little, we're getting this filled in. There's no point in it being back here and holding water. So we're gonna get these knocked down. I can set up on a time lapse on that. Hopefully these won't take quite as long. All right, y'all, well, that's gonna do it for today. I might come back out here and hit it a little bit more. Gotta bring the 4-wheel out here. Got a few little chunks of concrete, something in all that dirt. You probably saw me picking those up. But anyway, so got those 2 spread. I'd already put one down there at the end of the ditch. So this is 2 more loads, and you can see back from right here to that fence line over there, probably another 150 feet or better. So several more loads. We'll just get 1 or 2 here and there at a time when it's dry, and I can get them back here and have time to spread them out. So anyway, put the little 790 to work today. I tell you what, it's a little workhorse. I do regret not getting a loader when I bought that tractor, but like I said before, I didn't know how much I would use it. When all this back here, I was looking to buy something, a tractor and a finish mower, mainly to keep this grass cut. And that's all I had on my mind at the time, and I was kind of young and didn't know enough. If I had to do it again, I'd definitely get one with the loader. I'm just hesitant about trading that tractor in. She's been so good, scared to go get another one. But never know what the future holds. So anyway, thank y'all for watching Crocs and Socks. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We'd love to have you back on the next one. Catch you on the next one.